The Samsung A16 4G is going to be similar to the Samsung A15 4G with exactly same experience. The phone will come out with a Super AMOLED screen, FHD plus resolution, and 120 Hz refresh rate. Also, Samsung A16 4G will be equipped with the MediaTek Helio G99, which is the same processor of the Samsung A15 4G. That shows us that there is no realistic difference between the Samsung A16 4G and the Samsung A15 4G. The main camera will be with a 48 megapixels quality and expected to give the same camera experience of the last version. Samsung A16 will also have a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging.